Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So it's been 1 week I didn't do a video. Sorry guys, I'm very busy on many things. But of course I'm monitoring the market every day. I'm with you guys in Discord. We had a major breakout last week on many stocks without volume. So let's see what happened. Let's analyze the situation again. I'm gonna give you my view. And let's see what can happen next. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So first, AMC. Last week, I told you guys we had this major move up, very strong. We had a nice volume increase here. All right, so it's always positive to see those volumes increasing together with a breakout. So this breakout to me, and we closed at the top of the day. So this breakout to me was good quality. We only missed a nice consolidation here. You see, we had here the candles quite far from the resistance. So for the breakout to be perfect, we would have liked not to have this, all right, and to have this higher, so that the price action is really, building up energy just below the resistance and then breaking out. But still, it was a good breakout, and the RSI was positive. So I was here positive. I wanted to buy. I didn't buy because we opened here, and in the end, it was a good decision because then we dropped. So what is the situation now? Only looking at AMC, to me, this is totally fine. We are just, pulling back here. I'm a bit more concerned about the rest of the market. So let's see. I'm going to explain why. But on AMC, we are above the 20-day moving average. We're still above the breakout level. So we pulled back here quite brutally, but we came back to the 61.8 FIB ratio. So this is a nice level to buy. I might buy some more shares on Monday here. It's a good level. Stop loss, I would use a stop loss just below the 78.6%. So roughly, around this area. So actually just here, guys. All right. So this is a good risk reward trade. Buy 12.5, stop loss 11.8, something like that. I think this is what I posted in my Discord, by the way. Okay, we're gonna have a look at that later. But I'm positive here. But of course, guys, we've seen bears very strong in the past few months. So it's also very possible that we just drop lower. So that's why a stop loss is here a very good way to mitigate the risk. So GME, as usual, guys, GME is looking quite good. It's, we dropped here quite heavily. I bought here personally on Monday. I bought a call. It's worth almost nothing now, but, this is how calls are working, so that I'm protected on the way down, and I'm going to make money only if there is a very strong move up. So what is happening here is that we are consolidating just here, guys. What is that? Okay, sorry. Sorry, guys. So we are consolidating just here, as you can see. So consolidation like that is good because we're building up energy. So if we break out above 140, it's probably going to be brutal. It's not going to be easy to trade. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but if we close above 140, not too far from 140, it's a good level to buy. It looks to me that we want to push higher and retest this major resistance. And here, question: either we drop or we finally break out, and this could be the beginning of a squeeze. Once again, for this to happen, that we need the rest of the market to be bullish. So let's see. But here, bam. Yeah, we are consolidating. It looks to me like a false wave, maybe. Bam. It could be something like that. Could be. I don't know. But this consolidation is to me quite, usual, I would say. We can clearly see the 137 level acting as resistance. This level has been here for quite some time, guys. This is the level I'm having. And we can see that it is where bears are located. So let's find out. To me, this price action is still bullish. As you can see, RSI much higher than 50. Very strong volume on the way up, not on the way down. MACD going higher. You know, this is quite positive to me. If we take a step back, we are in a massive triangle, as you guys can see. When we use the logarithmic scale. So this is where we want to break out. A very possible scenario is that we just stay in there a little bit longer. That's possible as well. Let's see. But 160 is the next target, next resistance. I think we're going to go there. I'm not sure we're going to be able to break it right away, to be honest. But let's see what the rest of the market is doing. Now, QQQ, the rest of the market is here. So, what do we have? I was very positive this week for QQQ. I gave you guys some trades here. So I was saying to buy at 305. It was a little bit higher. Increase the position on the way down and stop loss around 288. All right. So as long as we're above 288, to me, we're still, you know, in this medium-term reversal that happened, as you can see, after nice consolidation on low volume. The only problem here is that we don't have the volume on the way up. But once again, QQQ is an ETF. You guys know that ETFs, I mean, ETF of a global index, you know that those instruments trade more whenever there is panic. So it's acceptable not to have a strong volume increase. But what I'm worried about is that we don't see this volume increase even on single stocks. I'm going to show you a few examples. So here I'm still positive. RSI, you know, hovering around 50, now 49. Was trading rather above 50, MACD going higher. This is positive. And we have this breakout. So this breakout is not perfect. It's actually not that good because, I mean, the consolidation is here, but on a daily time frame, we can see that we moved higher without actually taking a breath. So in this situation, usually a pullback is happening. So I'm going to be here to buy this pullback towards the 290, 300 area. And then I think that we might go higher. So this is my view for now. I don't have much more to say. I can show you a few breakouts that we had this week. All right, so RXRX. This one is a good breakout. I gave you this trade, guys. Here, this is a pharmaceutical company, very promising. I'm monitoring the stock for quite some time, and here you can see we have this is a nice consolidation. Look, guys, all right, this is a nice consolidation. You can see the price action very, very close to the resistance on very low volume. All right, and this trend line has been tested multiple times. So one reaction, two reactions. Okay, it's not a perfect trend line here. It's not touching. But here, 1, 2 reactions, and here the consolidation is really nice. Then we break out. The only issue I had here, and this is what I'm seeing on most single stocks, is that we don't have the volume increase on the way up. It's still pushed higher here. And those who follow my course, I was very happy to see in my Discord that you remember what's the right way to trade this. Whenever we have a breakout like that, especially whenever it's not a nice, I mean a perfect breakout with strong volume increase, it's good to take 50% of the profits on the first recent high. So here 670, 680, even 690. And then to use a trailing stop loss, all right? To find your trailing stop loss, you just connect, you use the 20-day moving average, or you connect the lows of the recent move up, all right? So here roughly around 570, just below the 20-day moving average. And this is exactly what Jay told me. Thank you, brother. I'm very happy to see that you follow the course. So right now, the next target is 8.8. Let me show you Tesla, guys. I gave you as well this trade. So for now, it's not working very well. But it's, I mean, of course, I didn't tell you to buy on the top. I gave you this trade to buy at 725. I don't remember actually. 725, I think I said to buy a little more at 690. Let's check. All right, exactly. So 725, 695. Stop loss 675. This was Tesla. So 695 has not been executed yet. But this is, to me, once again, it's I told you guys in my Discord it's a risky play because no consolidation before, no volume increase. So this breakout could very well be a fake out. That's why we use a stop loss. I personally didn't get in this trade because the breakout was not good enough to me. But I still share this trade and telling you clearly that without consolidation, without volume, and this breakout is not good quality. I'm still giving it to you guys because I know you follow Tesla, but I personally didn't trade this. And the stop loss around 675. So you see, this is what we see in most stocks that I've seen. A lot of them are coming close to resistance as well, such as Apple, Amazon. So, I mean, it looks bullish, but let's be very, very careful because we have a lot of bearish signs as well. Now, let's finish by looking at the US 10-year yield. You guys know that it's a very good indicator, and I don't really like what I'm seeing because we were pulling back nicely last week, and we can see that we just came close to resistance. Guys, this is a typical, I mean, you know, typical breakout situation. Breakout, retest. I hope we won't push higher because if we do, it's not going to be good for the market. All right, so you can see we broke out, we retested the trend line, and now a nice candle up plus 7% this week. So let's hope this is just going to fade. If it's not fading, we're going to have problems. DXY following the same kind of pattern. Breakout above 103, pull back to the 50-day moving average, finding support here, still below 103, but definitely this chart is bullish, guys. All right, it's pretty obvious that we are going higher, and I just hope that we're gonna have a reversal here. For now, we don't have strong signs of reversal. We just have a pullback that could very well be followed by another move up. If this happens, it's not good for the market. So I'm still having roughly the same kind of view. I told you last week that I think we're gonna be bullish this week. AMC, I mean, was bullish on Tuesday, so I was a little bit right here, but then just, you know, got destroyed. GME stable, triple Q bullish and pullback, but we're still trading higher than last week. Do we actually? No, we're trading slightly lower. Okay, we moved down by 1%, so roughly flattish, but let's be honest, we finished at the low of the week. We had a nice bullish week to me on triple Q. We had some opportunities on stocks, but as expected, this breakout has not been followed by a massive move up. It's hovering. We're finding some stability. Let's see what we're gonna have this week. I'm a little bit less bullish than I was last week, but we still have some positive signs. So let's see what we're gonna have, guys. I'm gonna try to make more videos this week. The reason why I make less video, guys, is because I have my mint coming in 2 weeks, guys. So if you're not in crypto bulls, Discord, come there, guys. We have the hype coming. We're gonna be sold out very, very quickly. The first mint is cheap, so if you come quickly, I can still manage to get some whitelists for you. I know that a lot of you are already there. You have your whitelist. Just be on time during when the mint is gonna come. I'm gonna have more time afterwards, but like for the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be very busy on this. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.